to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay. This time I want to talk about offshore accident lawyers. He is hungry. Roar. Roar. Hungry roar. Marah. Angry. What damage can I get for my humanity workers injury? As your offshore injury lawyer, our goal is to make sure that wherever is responsible is held accountable. We will make sure you receive the money you need to recover from your injuries and pay your bills. Damage may be entitled to fall into two main categories: economic and non-economic. Economic damages are pretty straightforward. They might include money for medical expenses, hospital bills, medical bills, and mobility arts, medication, complex therapy, and rehabilitation costs. Money for expenses, further medical expenses lost due to your recovery, vocational rehabilitation, loss of earning capacity, if your injury will impact your ability to work over the long term or permanent. Mati? Not all laws are clear-cut or obvious of source. Non-economic damages are meant to compensate you for emotional pain and suffering, anxiety, and lower quality of life. In some cases of extreme negligence, you may have to the right to punitive damages are designed to punish the plaintiff. If you qualify as a seaman under the journals as civil law, you may be eligible for beneficial maintenance and pure maintenance compensate the workers for the cost of room and board as they recover cure in the cost of the either seaman medical expense along with the transportation required to get the assessment on the seaman receives maximum medical improvement maintenance and cure benefit and maximum medical improvement when the person is health as they are going to get even if not fully cured. What is the judge asked and does it happen to my guest? The judge asked is also called the merchant marine of it is a federal law that gives seamen certain protection. It allows them to sue their employee if they are injured on the job due to the employee's negligence. If you spend most of your time working on a boat or vessel in navigation, you might be considered a seaman. If you work on a vessel as a sailor, the car driver, engineer, driller, mechanic, captain, meteorological fisherman, or in another capacity, you might meet the definition of seaman. If you spend most of your time working on a boat or vessel in navigation, you may be considered a seaman. eat tofu. Me eat tofu. Tofu. Tofu tahu je. If you spend most of your time working on a boat or vessel in a city, navigation, you might be considered a seaman. You work on a vessel as a sailor that cross different another mechanism captain, sailor cook, fisherman, or in another capacity. You might meet the definition of seaman. If you read the definition of seaman under the law, you are not eligible for workers' compensation. You must pay compensation for your injuries throughout the church act. Under the church act, employees of seamen are required to provide a reasonable safe work environment and maintain the vessel in a reasonable clean condition. The church act holds employees eligible reasonable soft environment and maintain the vessel in a reasonable condition. The genus asshole employs their bird even if the injuries were contributed to the accident in some way. Example of unusual condition that human may be eligible for include burger or poorly maintained equipment or degrees on the deck, a lack of proper training, lack of proper equipment, negligence of worker also by award worker failures to provide sufficient manpower and failure to provide warning about hesitation of to the employer. Generally, you must file your journals within 3 years of the date of the accident, but not always pay directly with an attorney to understand the status of the limitation in my other deadline that apply to your claims. Okay guys, this is pretty about offshore accident lawyers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel and see you next time.